It's time to Mustang. Nice car. Price car. Yeah. Ooh, nimble and quick. Mustang. Even got a Mustang that'll make you think it's 1965 all over again. Have you driven a Ford lately? It's time.
Now you're ready to put on your 1985 Ford Mustang.
Ooh, it's so hot. Mustang. It's so hot, Mustang.
Mustang, it looks so hot on you, others will want to try it on too. Have you driven a Ford lately?
This is a Mustang LX that comes with reclining bucket seats. That comes with AM/FM stereo with premium sound. Comes with power steering, power brakes, power door locks. Comes with interval wipers, speed control, and styled road wheels. And it goes for less than $6,900. Mustang LX. Have you driven the best-built American cars? Have you driven a Ford lately?
Got to get out. Got to get away. Time to Mustang. It's a Mustang kind of day. Got the feeling in the right mood. Got the Mustang attitude. Now ready to unwind. Get into a Mustang state of mind. Yeah, you can if you dream. You could be driving a Mustang. All together. Let the music play. It's time to Mustang. All right. Mustang attitude. Have you driven a Ford Mustang? It's a Mustang kind of day.
Ford consultant Jackie Stewart talks about the four-cylinder turbo.
The four-cylinder turbo has staged a revolution. To find an 8-cylinder Grand Prix engine today, you almost have to come to a museum. As for road cars, like the Mustang SVO, the intercooled four-cylinder turbo can actually give 4 cylinders the power of 8, if you ask for it. The Mustang SVO is a big step forward.
Have you driven the best-built American cars? Have you driven a Ford lately?
Got to get out. Got to get away. It's time to Mustang. It's a Mustang kind of day. Got the feeling in the right mood. Got a Mustang attitude. Have you driven a Ford Mustang?
Have you driven a Ford?